Which mini electric screwdriver is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Jurist 155-in-1 mini electric screwdriver. First up, we have the Jurist 155-in-1 mini electric screwdriver. This caught my eye because of its impressive versatility and solid price of $49.99. If you want a comprehensive toolkit that covers a variety of devices, this is worth a serious look. What makes this screwdriver stand out is its powerful and convenient design. It offers 5 adjustable torque levels from 0.15 to 0.75 N.M, which means you can tackle a range of tasks with precision. The manual torque of 7 N.M adds extra power when you need to loosen stubborn screws. Plus, with 140 precision bits, you can handle everything from iPhones to game consoles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It saves you time and frustration by having the right tool for every job. Now, some people complained about the bulkiness of the case it comes in. Here's the thing though, while it may take up a bit more space, the organized setup actually saves you time when searching for the right bit. If you're someone who values efficiency, that's a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who regularly repairs electronics. Skip this one if you only need a screwdriver for occasional use. For the price, it offers solid value with a wide range of applications. Now, if the size of the Jurist bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Hodo 25-piece electric screwdriver kit. Next up is the Hodo 25-piece upgraded electric screwdriver kit, priced at just $29.99. What really caught my attention was its sleek design and the fact that it comes with a magnetic lid for easy access. If you want a stylish yet functional tool, you'll want to hear more about this one. This kit is packed with features that cater to your needs. It has 3 adjustable torque settings, delivering up to 4 NEM in electric mode and 8 NEM in manual mode. This means whether you're assembling furniture or tackling a garage project, you have the right torque for the job. The built-in shadowless LED light is a game-changer in dim spaces, ensuring you can see what you're working on clearly. It's been rated 4.7 stars by over 2,100 users, which is pretty impressive. However, I did notice that some users were disappointed that the charging cable isn't included, which seems a bit odd. But honestly, considering the performance and the included 25 bits, it's not a deal breaker. Plus, you can always use any standard Type-C cable lying around. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on home repairs or furniture assembly. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty. For $29.99, it's a solid investment for everyday tasks. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something ultra-portable. Product number 3, Jurist Mini Electric Screwdriver. Now let's talk about the Jurist Mini Electric Screwdriver, which is priced at $28.99. This caught my attention with its compact design and 38 magnetic bits. If you're looking for something lightweight and easy to carry, this is definitely worth your time. The efficiency of this mini screwdriver is impressive. It features 5 adjustable electric gear levels, allowing for precise torque management. This is particularly handy if you're dealing with delicate electronics. With an impressive 1,000 screws capability on a single charge, you could get a lot done without worrying about running out of juice quickly. The added LED lights are a thoughtful touch for working in tight or dark spaces. It has a solid 4.2-star rating from 818 reviews, which shows it's well received by users. However, some users found that the durability could be better, especially for tougher jobs. Here's the thing though, this tool is designed for precision, not heavy-duty work. If you're using it for electronics or small repairs, you're probably in good shape. This is perfect for you if you need a compact screwdriver for everyday electronic fixes. Skip this one if you're looking for a tool to handle larger projects. At $28.99, it offers great value for those focused on precision. Now, if you're all about high-quality bits, you'll want to stick around for the next one. Whether you're working on delicate electronics or larger items, it has you covered. The magnetic case is not just for looks. It keeps everything organized and makes it easy to find the bits you need. With a 4.5-star rating and over 7,500 reviews, this is clearly a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. One downside noted by some users is that it might feel a bit heavy for extended use. But honestly, I found that the quality and performance more than make up for it, especially if you prioritize precision. This is perfect for you if you're a tech-savvy DIYer who values design and functionality. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight. For the price, it's a solid tool that combines style with performance. Now, if you want something that covers all your bases, the next product might just be the ultimate toolkit. Product number 5, Unimela 140 in 1 mini electric screwdriver set. Last but not least is the Unimela 140 in 1 mini electric screwdriver set, which you can grab for $34.99. I was impressed with the sheer number of accessories included. If you want an all-in-one solution for repairs, this could be your best bet. This mini electric screwdriver is a holistic toolkit, including 120 precision bits and 19 repair tools. It covers a wide range of applications, from computers to drones. Its adjustable torque settings from 0.15 to 0.35 Nm allow for precise control, which is especially important for delicate tasks. Plus, the rapid charging time of just 60 minutes means you won't be waiting around to get back to work. With a 4.5-star rating and over 1,200 reviews, it's clear this kit is popular. However, some users mentioned that it might be overwhelming with too many bits and tools. But here's the thing. If you're an electronics enthusiast or someone who regularly tackles repairs, having more options is a great advantage. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive tool for all sorts of repairs. Skip this one if you only need a basic screwdriver. For $34.99, you're getting a wide array of tools that can handle almost anything. So there you have it. The Jurist 155-in-1 for versatility, the Hodo 25-piece for style, the Jurist Mini for compactness, the Fantic E1 Max for precision, and the Unimela 140-in-1 for an all-in-one toolkit. Each offers something unique, so think about what you really need. Happy repairing!